Analytical solution of Kolmogorov equations for asymmetric Markov chains with 4 and 8 states. By Viktor V. Kravitz, Kapitsa, V. Domansky, Vladimir V. Kravitz, S. Hrishechkina, S. Oz Skurde, Konstantin M. Bas and Larissa A. Toker. Aims: systems consisting of 2 and 3 independent subsystems are considered. First, a technical system consisting of 2 independent subsystems, e.g. hybrid car, is considered. The purpose is to demonstrate that the coefficients of the characteristic equation meet the demands of functional dependence, matching the proposed visible analytical solution of the complete algebraic equation of the fourth order. Then a system consisting of 3 independent subsystems is considered. The purpose is the development of an analytical method for solving octic-Kolmogorov equations to control a random process while varying the intensity of the progress of renewal and degradation of failures. Methodology: differential Kolmogorov equations, describing homogeneous Markovian processes with discrete states and continuous time, are listed in symmetric matrix form. The applied strategy relies upon a concept of mathematical description harmonization, representation of 8 states of the considered Markov chain by an asymmetric graph, the ordered matrix of transitional probabilities of octic-Kolmogorov equations, and characteristic specific octic equation in which roots are distributed symmetrically within a complex plane. Results: properties of symmetry of matrix of subsystem failure and recovery flow intensity are analyzed. Dependences of characteristic equation coefficients on the intensity of failure and recovery flows are obtained. Depending upon the intensity of failure and recovery flows, 4 roots of the characteristic equation are analytically found. Analytical temporal solutions have been obtained for octic probabilities of the Markov chain in the form of the ordered determinants for indices of 8 roots as well as indices of 8 states, including column vector of the initial conditions. An example of structures consisting of 3 independently functioning processes, the random process of the transition of the structure through 8 possible states with a known initial state is determined in time, is considered. Conclusion: heuristically, formulas have been derived evaluating 8 roots of the characteristic Kolmogorov equation. One of them is 0 root due to the intensity of failures and renewals of 3 subsystems, 8 states of which compose generally asymmetric Markov chain. The proposed analytical solution of the octic algebraic equation is verified using Vieta's formulas. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.